Here we need to select the data from the data frame, where is student's ID is equals 101. So at first I will use straightforward approach. So I will create a new data frame called dv. That will be students, and here we will use the log function. Log function is used to search the data inside the data frame based on some criteria. And then we will search by student ID column that is equal 301. After that, I will create the copy of this data frame, but I will specify only the columns that we need in output to be name and age, but not the student's ID. So name and age, and I will use the copy function. So basically here I'm just copying a data frame to itself and redefining it. And I can return this data frame. And after it, let's think about how we can optimize this result. So we basically can make it into one tidy one-liner. So I will copy this part of the code here. But it's pretty much good to go, but we need to specify also the column names. We can do it the same way as I did it here in the copy function, but the other way will be just to use name of the column and two dots. It means from which position it will start gather all the columns into one. Oh, silly me. And it should be good to go. Let's submit it.